So guys, what are we gonna do? We're gonna do first day in pocket for this Eric Oaks OSPREY EDX that he sent me as a Christmas gift. So I couldn't wait too long to do it. So you guys know what time it is. Turn down the volume because here comes a little bit of music. Guys, before we get into it too far, go here and check out Ben's works. He does wood turning videos. He does all kinds of stuff. He's made snow globes in epoxy. He cast ice cubes, things like that. It's a fun channel. I watch it a lot, actually. I look forward to his stuff. So go check it out. It's a lot of fun. So this is that OSPREY EDX that Eric Oaks, I've mispronounced his name so many times. Eric Oaks sent me as a Christmas gift. I liked him when I saw him at the show, never really got the handle one. Guys, this thing is incredible. So we're not gonna spend a lot of time here talking about it, so let's turn this around and do some first impressions, first day in the pocket. So let's take a look at it from above. All right, guys, here is that OSPREY EDX. This thing has been in my pocket since I opened it yesterday. It is a very attractive knife. And I will tell you, this thing is ridiculously sharp. I cut down a bunch of stuff with it today. It's an M390. It's held its edge really well. It's crazy sharp. Let's look at how. So I know you guys saw the unboxing. Come in a nice case with Eric's logo and company name. And it also comes with a certificate. These are serialized. This one is number 150 of 262. So it's OW1. 150 of 262 blade finish, all that stuff's on there. So you can see it's machine satin hollow grind, slate blue G10 titanium frame bolster lock, which I'm gonna get into that here in a second because I'm really digging that. Stainless steel with titanium clip and spacer. So you got titanium hardware, I should say. Bolsters, integral milled diamond texture, and the pocket clip is reversible. Eric was talking about that, and he signed this. So each one of these came serialized. So let's take a good look at it. The blade is nice thin profile this way. It comes down. It reminds me a lot of other knives I like. The Stinger from Ferrum Forge. There's a couple other knives that are really nice like this. Got a very nice grind on it with a swedge. It gives it an attractive look. It's incredibly well ground. There are no inconsistencies with this. The tip is not asymmetrical. This thing is ground all but perfect. Like, I have not found anything wrong with it yet. You can see right there, serialized. In hand, it's really comfortable. I've been carrying it. I cut down a bunch of cardboard because tomorrow is trash day. Cut down a bunch of cardboard, cut down a bunch of other stuff. But what I was going to tell you is I was surprised at how light it is. Now, I picked these up at the show. He was showing me one of these at the show, and I think it was one almost identical to this. And I remember thinking that it was fairly light, but now that I've been carrying it, this thing all but disappears in your pocket. When we do the full review, we'll get into the actual weights and specs, but a lot of it has to do with the fact that G10 is a significant lighter material than titanium, and a lot of that is missing because it is a bolster lock. So there is a lot of material that's milled out here and here, which means that there's a lot of titanium that's been taken out. So it is light. I was surprised at how light it is. It carries really well. Pocket clip on it is not too bad. It's not technically a deep carry pocket clip. It is set pretty far back and it's reversible. So far as I've been carrying it, I have been pretty impressed. Like I said, I'm not a fan of lanyard holes. I like the idea of a lanyard post. I had this set in here for that exact reason. Something like a lanyard post does not bother me because it gives everybody an option. I'm not a fan of those, but there are no sharp areas. There's no hot spots. You can see it's chamfered really well. I actually have already dropped this, as you can see, first day in carry. It had wet hands and it slipped out. But you can actually take this and that washer out and swap them and change your left to right carry. Action on it is really good. Nice and smooth, as you would expect from something that Riet had made. You can use that fuller right there as a finger flick. For me, it's a little too far in for my big hands. It's too close. You can, however, slow roll it out like a Spidey hole. If you get in on it, break past the detent. I've got my finger on a detent hole. Sorry, on the lock bar. If I get my hand in here, I can't do it. But yeah, you can break that detent and then slow roll it open. You can finger flick it. So yeah, overall, it's a really attractive knife. And the fact is, it's elegantly simple. Nice clean lines, everything's rounded and chamfered, and it's not a hot spot at all so far. Jimping on it is about perfect. And like I said, it is bank vault tight when it's open. So that's a fairly light blade, but if you shake it, you can shake it home. So yeah, guys, that's just first impressions. I cut with it. That hollow grind on it cuts really, really well. And you can see that edge just nice and consistent. No asymmetrical tip on this. Cuts really well. I may have to strop it. I have some more cardboard I have to cut up that has to go in tomorrow. But I actually, it bit me a little bit, caught the calluses on my finger when I was doing the unboxing video yesterday. So there you go, guys. That's first impressions of the WORX OSPREY EDX. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed and I really like it. It's really well done. So let's go ahead and turn this around and do some final thoughts. So like I said, guys, it's performed pretty well. All the tasks I've asked it to. It's M390. It holds it incredible. And I have to tell you, I can't remember if I said it down at the tabletop. This is probably the sharpest knife out of box I've had come in a very long time. Like this is sharp to a point where I would be hesitant to hand it to someone without a warning. So yeah, well done, Eric. I like this so far. And like I said, this is frighteningly sharp. I already cut myself with it yesterday, just messing with it, doing the first impression or the unboxing. So guys, that's it on this one. It was just a first day in pocket kind of thing. If you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like the videos, give them a thumbs down, but you got to tell me why, because I can't use those thumbs down as a metric to find out what you guys don't like if you don't tell me what it was you didn't like. So if you guys like the channel and you want to support the channel, it's as simple as like what I did with WORX. Just share the channel with people you think would like it. But if you do want to support the channel financially, I got several ways you can do it. They're all down below. I have a join tab that gets you in on exclusive content, early access to videos, exclusive giveaways, and you get $5 off per sharpening from me if you're a paying member. I also have a sharpening tutorial series for the premium tier members. So if you join, pick the tier that best suits what you want out of the membership. If you go down below, you'll see all kinds of affiliate links and things like that. Anything you click on, even if the item you click on isn't what you want, you buy something else, I still get credit for it. Amazon pays me, and it doesn't cost you anything. And the final way is I do have a merchandise store. It's on Ember Shirt Co. I have a coupon code that saves you money on both, saves you 10% on checkout, either at Ember Shirt Co. or my merch store. It's CrazySharp, all one word, capital C, capital S, CrazySharp. Guys, that's it. I love you all. Keep it clean in the comment section. It makes it easier to moderate. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. And I will see you in the next video. And I lost the remote for a second. There it is.